Namaskar, my name is Khuahhish and today we are doing the tutorial for very weak back muscles. Now specifically this tutorial is very close to my heart because since I was a kid I have had severe spinal issues. I have had 2 spinal surgeries for a multiple disc prolapse. L3, L4, L4, L5, L5S1 was severely damaged to the extent that I could not walk. But then I got myself back to my feet with yoga. Now these exercises which we are about to do are very simple, very basic yogic exercises. If you do them every day, I would say start by doing one bit in the morning. But if your back is too stiff in the morning, because people who have got very weak back muscle, they normally wake up either with a backache or with a spasm in the back or with a lot of heaviness in the back, stiffness in the back. So my suggestion is that you wake up, you take a hot water bag on the back in bed, open up your muscles just a little bit and then you do these exercises. So let's get started with the first set of exercise. First set of exercise is very simple. Lie down on your back, arms by your side. You could be in your bed actually, you don't need to get off your bed. You could just be in your bed, legs absolutely straight. Let me shift a little. Yes. And then you lift your leg up, pushing your spine down, you lift your leg up, 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 keeping your leg absolutely straight. Now remember one thing, if you have got a weak spine, you will not be able to lift your leg up to 90 degrees. So my suggestion is, whichever point is the easiest for you to lift your leg up to, lift it up to there. So you lift, 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 hold it to the count of 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Take it all the way down, slowly, 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 slowly. And without touching the floor, again, you lift it up. Again, hold it for 5 counts. Again, take it down. Again, lift it up. 5 counts. Again, take it down. So maybe you could do 5 times with one leg. And again, the same thing you could do 5 times with the other leg. Again, push your spine down, stomach in, and you lift, 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 lift. Hold it 5 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And you take it all the way down. Stomach in. Again, lift, inhale up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again, take it all the way down. Again, up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again, you take it all the way down. Now, if your back muscles are too weak, it will be an effort to lift your leg up absolutely straight. So my suggestion is bend your knee just a little bit and lift it up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Take it down. Keep pushing your spine down, pulling your stomach in. Again, lift it up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Down, up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Take it all the way down. The same goes for the other leg. Now, if your spine is very weak, you cannot do the same leg again and again, then you can do alternate leg. In the sense, you do this, bend your knee a little bit, lift, hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Take it all the way down. Push your spine down, stomach in, and you lift your other leg up, keeping your knee soft. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And you take it all the way down. So this is the first set and first exercise of leg raises. After you're done with this, we will be doing this. What you do, you bend your knees. You could do something like this. Okay? So what you do, you put it under your spine. The middle spine, the lower spine, you put it somewhere there. Inhale. Squeeze your hips, lift your hips up, hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, stomach in, and you push your spine down, pushing the pillow into the floor. Push, push, push. Hold it for 5 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, inhale up, all the way up. Squeeze your hips. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, stomach in, and you push the pillow into the floor. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, if your spine is very weak, even lifting your hips up like this will be an effort. So what you can do, you could just place the pillow here and inhale and just push it down. Exhale, stomach in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Relax. Relax. Hold it for 3 counts. Relax yourself for 3 counts. 1, 2, 3. Again, exhale and you push the pillow to the floor. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again, relax. So this is the second variation, as in the variation which you could do in case your back muscles are too weak for you to lift your hips up off the floor. Now, final exercise. So you push your spine down, stomach in, lift your knees up and try bringing your knees to your chest all the way and give yourself a tight hug. Now, if again your spine is too weak or your back muscles are too stiff, this will be an issue. So you can just hold your knees here and lightly roll. 1 and 1. 2 and 2. 3 and 3. 4 and 4. So this is the last exercise which you could just do in bed, staying in bed. So my suggestion is, as soon as you wake up first thing in the morning, if your spine is too stiff, too painful or too heavy in the morning, or if you feel that there's a spasm on the side, take a hot water bag in bed. Be on it for about 10 minutes, open up your muscles just a little bit, and then you start with the leg raises. Then you do the second one, lifting your hips up and pushing your spine down. And then you do the final one, the spinal rolls. Now, how many times you need to do it during the day? Do it as many times. You can do it maybe 3 times a day, 10 reps each. When I say 10 reps, when you're doing the leg raises, 10 reps, 1 leg, 10 reps, 1 leg. Or alternate leg. If it's alternate legs, then it's 20. In all. Same goes for the spinal rolls. It's 10 rolls that you'll be doing. Hips up, lifting your hips up, again 10 times. Do it as many times. Minimum do it at least twice a day. And you are bound to see the results. In the next episode, we will be talking what could be the next step. Once your spine is a little stronger, then we could put in a little more exercise. So that will be what the next tutorial will be all about. How to strengthen your spine further. Thank you so much for watching this episode and namaste.